Hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, I mean a regular, thank you so much for tuning in for yet another video. So as you could tell by the title, today we are creating this everyday makeup look. This is for my working girls, my campus girls, my girls that have a grind, like my girls that wake up every morning and go do something and don't have a lot of time, okay? Like you can literally achieve this look in 10 minutes. Trust me, literally 10 minutes you'd have achieved this look, okay? So make sure that first thing, before you even go in with your foundation like I did in this video, make sure that you do your skincare routine and please apply a primer, one that is suitable for your skin. Whether you have dry skin, combination skin, oily skin, there's a primer for you. So get it and apply that thing so that your makeup sits, okay? Thank you. I didn't show it, but I did it, okay? I hope we get each other. So first step that you're gonna do is to apply your foundation and blend the hell out of that foundation. Blend until it melts and dissolves into your skin. Okay, thank you. Once you're done, you're gonna go in with a concealer. This is gonna help brighten your face. You're gonna brighten the parts that you want to brighten. The parts that you want to look bright and pop when the sun hits you. So for me, I brighten my under eyes, my nose, my chin, just above my lip and on my forehead. Those are the parts that I want to see popping. I want that forehead to do its foreheading job. Forehead. I don't care. But yeah, I want that forehead to do the thing, okay? So you're just gonna go in with your concealer like that. With a concealer, one that you use for highlighting. Make sure that it's like at least 2 shades lighter than your complexion. And then here I'm gonna apply a contour. Guys, I love cream contouring. Like it does something to me. Like when I cream contour, I feel complete. So if this is a step you feel but you're not good at it or you don't really feel it, you can bronze, okay? Just use a dark powder to just deepen the part of your face, make your cheekbones, yes, make your cheekbones pop. Okay, I love cream contouring. So if you're like me and you love cream contouring, get a shade that is at least 2 shades darker than your foundation so that it shows, okay? It mustn't be like too dark so that now you look like, I don't know. Just make sure that it's okay. So I use a brush to blend out my concealer, and I also blend, like on my forehead, I blend it towards my hair because I don't usually apply foundation on that part because it rather look dark than light. I don't want those 2 colors that look funny. I hope you get that. Yeah. And then with a damp beauty blender, I'm gonna blend out my concealer. Make sure that your beauty blender is damp. Run it under water, squeeze it a few times so that it absorbs the water. After that, take your towel and squeeze out the water. It must be damp, it must be soft and easy to work with. Yo guys, please stop using these dry beauty blenders. Oh my goodness, I don't know how much I must emphasize on that because trust me, if you use a beauty blender that is dry, the nonsense that is gonna happen on your face, your makeup is gonna be patchy and now you're gonna look funny. So please I beg, don't do that thing, okay? Thank you. And then now that you're done blending out your concealer, you are gonna set it with the translucent powder. We do this so that the concealer doesn't crease. You don't want to be walking around with some funny lines looking like you don't know your business, okay? Because I am teaching you, I am telling you now. Set that thing so that your makeup looks flawless and you look amazing, my sister. You get me? Thank you. Once I am done with that, I'm gonna go in with a pressed powder. This pressed powder is as close as possible to my foundation or to my skin. Let me put it like that, okay? Because I'm not bronzing today. I'm just gonna set my foundation and my cream contour using the pressed powder closest to my skin, okay? I hope we got each other on this one. I don't want to see you guys looking funny out there. And then for my black girls, let's normalize applying a blush, okay? Let's make those cheeks look as pink as possible, okay? Let's look cute. Do that thing, okay? And because we're trying to achieve this look in 10 minutes, we don't have a lot of time. we're not gonna do anything to our brows besides just brushing them. I got mine twisted, so it was just easy. Like when I was brushing them, they looked amazing because they were twisted. So get yours twisted, okay? If you can't do it yourself, get someone to do it and just brush. You look proper. Guys, my eyebrows are almost non-existent. I don't know why. I don't know who to blame, God or my parents, but my eyelashes are almost not there. So I apply some mascara. It does the job. It helps. I hope it does. But if you have individual lashes, that's even amazing because you're just gonna look flawless like Beyonce. And if you have the time to apply the strip false lashes, do that. It's gonna elevate your look. It's gonna make sure that. But if you don't have the time, this is absolutely okay. This is proper. You're still gonna look amazing, trust me. And then with your highlighter, you're just gonna apply it in the inner corners of your eyes. This is gonna make your eyes pop, okay? You are gonna look very woke, like you had yourself a cup of coffee. And then once you're done with that, you're gonna line your lips. I use black. Guys, it's personal, okay? Let's respect each other on that. But if you can use a brown liner. It's totally okay. I just love black. I don't know, man. Black is luxury. And then you're gonna go in with lip gloss. You're gonna make those lips look juicy, okay? Yummy. Oh, butter, honey, baby. And then once you're done, you're gonna set your face using your setting spray. This is gonna lock in your makeup. Make sure that those powders are sitting proper. You don't want to look like a ghost here. I beg you, my sister, please don't do that thing. And then you're just gonna use your beauty blender, the same one that you used to set your concealer, just to put in that setting spray so that it doesn't leave any watermarks that are gonna look funny, like you were rained on. We don't want that, okay? The aim is to look flawless like Beyonce. And then once we are done with that, we are gonna highlight. Guys, spring, it's around the corner, so you're gonna highlight. Make sure that when the sun hits your face, goddess. So you're gonna highlight. Make sure that you highlighted your golden. You're looking amazing. Can you see my nose? Once you're done with that, if you're like me, you're gonna create some beauty spots. They just elevate the look, man. It's on trend and I love it. So yeah, just like that, the face is beat, the girl is looking flawless, the skin looks like butter, it's honey, baby. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Otherwise, have yourselves an amazing day, night, or morning, depending on the time that you're watching this video. Bye.